importante teve, Dato reafirma e consolida a parceria com a aliança estratégica entre Timor-Leste e Brunei para programas de desenvolvimento, que cobre setores importantes, nessa educação, capacitação para recursos humanos, agricultura, saúde, tecnologia, conectividade, que é importante para temos. E nós temos apoio tudo na FAT, no dar Estado membro aussi ASEAN, Brunei também tem a futura preparação para a presidência de 2029. Now I will hand over to my friend Minister to explain to us the main objectives of this visit and especially today's meeting with His Excellency President, the Head of the State.
Thank you, members of the media. Well, this makes my official call to the President to complete my visit, my official visit to Timor-Leste, my first official visit to Timor-Leste. I cannot emphasize more that Brunei attaches great importance to Timor-Leste's membership of ASEAN. This is certainly not just a historic but a significant achievement by Timor-Leste. And the journey will start. Unfortunately, I do have to apologize to the people and of Timor-Leste for the chaotic traffic we have caused going across from office to office. Like, this will be a common thing when you have a lot of visitors from ASEAN in the future. So, and it's also showing progress as well. So this is what we want Timor-Leste, a new member, to come in and progress with us, develop with us. ASEAN is a very important thing. And one thing that I totally agree with His Excellency the President today in our discussion is that ASEAN needs to be strong in this really geopolitical uncertain world. Everything is happening all over the place, but the calmness remains to be in ASEAN. We do have our problems. We have our family problems, and that's a normal thing. But like I said, ASEAN does not go away from talking about differences, but we talk about differences together. So we all are a big family. So today is my last trip. This is my last trip for the day, and this will close my official visit to Timor-Leste. And I'd like to say to the government, my friend, Prime Minister Dato, Santos, thank you for the hospitality. Thank you to the people and government for the hospitality and excellent arrangement for my visit here. Thank you very much.
Obrigado. Thank you. Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you. Terima kasih. Thank you.